Wagwan, welcome back to the channel Cooking with Remodread. Yes people, I'm back in the kitchen and today we're gonna make some nice and wonderful brown stew ribs. Yes people, some nice and wonderful brown stew ribs we're gonna be making today. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, I start off by seasoning my ribs. So I add some paprika. Nice and good and wonderful people. So then after I add some paprika, I add some chili powder. Then I go ahead and add some jerk seasoning. Yes people, oh my god, this is gonna be so good. Then I add some all-purpose seasoning. Let's go ahead and add it all over. Some garlic powder people. Yes people, nice, oh my god, look at this. It's gonna be so good people. Some abdullah. Let's go ahead and add the abdullah all over this too. Pepper seasoning, nice and good people. Some seasoned salt people. Yes people, go ahead and add on some seasoned salt. Then after I add my seasoned salt, I go ahead and mix it up, rub it up, and get that seasoning all over that ribs people. Oh, look at those ribs people, look so good, look so wonderful. Oh my god, nice and good people, and wonderful. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some of this on it people. Yes people, nice and good and wonderful people. Yes, look at this, it's gonna make it taste so good people. These ribs, these brown stew ribs are gonna be so nice and so good people. Then I go ahead and add some chicken seasoning on, even though it's not chicken. Yes, we add some chicken seasoning. Now let's rub it up and get it all over. Then let's go ahead and add in some Maggi seasoning, the liquid Maggi seasoning. Let's go ahead and pour it all over it. Yes people, this gotta make it taste so much better people. You know people, it's gonna taste so good people, oh my god. Now, after I do that, I go ahead and add some oil to my pot people. Let's go ahead and add in some oil. Let your oil get hot first, then go ahead and put those ribs in after your oil is hot. Yes people, nice and good and wonderful. Go ahead and put your ribs in. Yes, your ribs that's nice and good and properly seasoned. Let's give it a stir. Oh, look at these ribs, they look so good, they look so great. They're gonna be so nice and wonderful people. Then I go ahead and cover it up. Then let's take out the cover and stir it up, mix it up. Then I'm gonna go ahead, the same bowl that I seasoned my ribs in, I'm gonna go ahead and add some water to it and pour it in. Now we're gonna cut these ribs down. Yes people, we're gonna cut these ribs down. These ribs gonna be so good. It's gonna be, these ribs gonna be so great. Yes people, nice and good and wonderful. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add on some browning. Be careful with the browning. Do not add a lot of browning. You don't want it to be bitter. Yes people, be careful with the browning. Yes people, oh yes, let's stir this up. Let's mix this up. Then go ahead and cover it up so it can cook people. Now let's go ahead and check on it now people. Yes, these ribs are gonna be great. Look at my ribs people. Now I'll go ahead and add some thyme, some scallion, and some carrot people. Yes people, I did not have any pepper, so I make use of what I have. Yes people, you can go ahead and add pepper if you have pepper, but I didn't add any pepper. So now I'll go ahead and add some ketchup on in people. The ketchup, oh my god, ketchup makes this taste much better people. Oh my god, trust me. But you don't have to add ketchup if you don't want to. Now I'm going ahead and add some butter. Just we pick out a piece of butter, put it in. Nice and good. Let's stir this up. Let's mix this up. Let's cover this up and let this cook down. Now we're gonna go ahead and check on it. After checking on it, I realized it needs to cook a little bit more, so I'm gonna go ahead and cover it up back and let it cook some more, people. Then it should be ready to dish. It should be ready to eat. That's me testing if it's cooked, and it's not cooked. So I decided, oh, this needs to cook some more, so let's cover it back up and let's finish cooking it down, people. Nice and good and wonderful, people. Let's go ahead and cover it up. Now let's go ahead and check on it, and it should be done. Oh, look at these ribs, people. They look so good. Brown stew ribs, people. Oh my God, let's dish this. Yes, people, look at this. Nice and good and wonderful brown stew ribs. Until next time, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, people, I am out of here. Look more.